Hey guys, welcome to Ham Radio with K0PIR. You'll notice I changed my name on the channel to Ham Radio Adventures, and that's because I'm doing a lot of traveling right now. So lots of adventures coming up. On my YouTube channel, you'll see a store link over here, this little tab. Click on store, and these are just some of the designs, some of the products that are available through my store. Ham Tees by K0PIR. And if you see one you like, click on it, and I'm going to show you how to customize it. You can find more products by going up to the menu, and you can go to men and hoodies and sweatshirts, or if you're a woman, YL. Go to women and hoodies and sweatshirts or long sleeve shirts, whatever you're looking for. I've got a lot of different designs, good, nice designs for ham radio operators. Here's one that's been pretty popular, and I like this one. This is a sweatshirt with a hoodie. This you might use for walking in the winter or in the fall, the spring coming up here when it's still chilly outside. And this is just a nice design. But you might want to go ahead and customize this, put your own call sign on it, or you might want to change the color. You know, we can look at a different color. We'll see this one, that doesn't really go well. I suppose it does once you get up close to it. You'd be able to see it, but it doesn't look good from a distance. So let's go back to gray. I just like gray. Gray is easy to keep clean, and it's just a good overall color. You'd want to choose your size down here, but I'm going to show you how to customize it. Maybe you want to put your call sign, name and call sign up on the front, or maybe on a sleeve, and you can do that. Just go down to this edit button. It looks like a pencil. Click on it, and it takes you to this little page, and all you have to do is click on customize, and it'll bring up the customize tool. So that's what it would look like. I'm going to close this. This is another design. I'm going to close that, but this is what the sweatshirt would look like. So let's add our call sign to it. Over here we can choose text, and it puts it right in there. And over here is where you enter in the text for it. So I would want to put my name, Rich, and then a comma, K0PIR. And then I'm going to go ahead and the black color I think would be good, but I need to change the size of it. So I'm going to reduce the size. I can just click on this minus sign to reduce it, or I can just type it in there. Go to 55, type it in there, and if I hover my mouse over it, it turns into this cross. And if I hold down my left mouse button, drag it over, I can drag it to where I want it, right up there in the top. And it's not bold, so I'm going to click on this this little symbol here, and it says write your text in bold. So I'm going to click on that, and it says that it's outside of the print area, so I need to change that. Just need to move it a little bit. There we go. Now I've got it in there. I think that looks real nice. It's still maybe a little too big. There, I think that looks good. So that may be what I want. I might want to put it on my sleeve, and I can do that. Put it on my right sleeve, and go over to text, and maybe I'll just put my call sign in there. And it's already selected bold and black. That's what I want. And let's see, the text size is 42. I'm going to change that, make it a little bit bigger. What was the other, about 50 or 52? So I can make it bigger than that, not go outside of the area. And I want to put it right there on my shoulder. So that would look good. Now another thing, if you've got a 0 in your call sign, you might want to have a stripe through, a slash through the 0. And there are different ways to do it. Depends on what kind of computer you're on. Is it a Mac or a Windows? and I'm using a Surface Go laptop. And the normal way to do it, holding down the Alt key and then typing 0216, doesn't work on this. So I found a page, and it's right over here. I'll put a link in the description to this page, and I can just copy the 0 with the slash, and then go back over here, and I'm going to put my cursor in there, use my backspace, and then Control V, and there it puts it in there. I can go back to the front and do the same thing. I'll just click on it, and it selects it. Put the cursor in there, backspace, and then Control V, and that puts the 0 with the strike through in it. And that's what I would want to do. But if you have a Callsign K9 AJP, you're not going to have to do anything like that. But there are a lot of different fonts you can play around with. I like Arial. Arial is just a good font. It's recognizable. And then from here, you'd want to choose your size and quantity. I'm a large, so I just select 1 and then click on Add to Cart. And this Thursday, starting tomorrow, January 26th, there's a 20% off. So get a real good price on one of these. This is a great way for somebody to support my channel. Any of you guys that are into software for ham radio and have been watching my videos, this is a terrific way. You get something and I get a little bit of a commission. So if you got any questions, please put it in the comments below. I'll be happy to help any way that I can. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Also tell your friends. 73 and good DX.